So, Sachin Pilot joins the illustrious league of those Congress leaders who are being shown the door. सचिन पायलट को हटा दिया गया कांग्रेस के उप मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में और कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष के रूप में राजस्थान से। ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ये पिछले कुछ दिनों से हम लोग देख ही रहे हैं, जो सिर्फ उटव्वल चल रहा है जो कांग्रेस पार्टी में। मुद्दे की बात यह है कि सचिन पायलट ने आखिरकार ऐसा क्यों किया, व्हाई डिड ही डू दिस एंड व्हाट डज ही गेन बाय डूइंग व्हाट ही इज डन। Frankly speaking, if you look at Sachin Pilot's trajectory, there are many who believe that he's been given, such a great deal. Very young age, ends up becoming a Lok Sabha MP, ends up becoming a minister, ends up becoming a deputy chief minister, a PCC president at the age of 40 itself, and just what else did Sachin Pilot really want for his own self? I don't think that's the story. The story is that was Sachin Pilot only chasing greater political representation for himself, or was Mr. Pilot of the view that the victory the Congress party got in 2018 assembly elections was entirely due to him, and therefore if there was anyone who deserved to be the chief minister at that time also, then it was Mr. Pilot. Well, उस वक्त उनको मुख्यमंत्री पद की कुर्सी नहीं मिली। अब सवाल यह है कि पायलट साहब क्या करेंगे। या तो पायलट साहब बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर लें, जैसा ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया ने किया, लेकिन मेरे मुताबिक ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया और सचिन पायलट में एक बहुत बड़ा फर्क है। ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया मध्य प्रदेश के एक पूरे पैन स्टेट नेता बन के नहीं उभरे थे। ही वॉज नॉट रियली अ लीडर हु कुड हैव हैड हिज ओन ऑल द वे फ्रॉम हिज ओन स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड इन द ग्वालियर चंबल बेल्ट and all the way up to the tribal areas of Madhya Pradesh. But Sachin Pilot has his advantage with him. Sachin is the person who had built the Congress party right from scratch, from Mandal Adhyaksh to Sarpanches to Gram Panchayats. He was the one who was really burning the midnight oil, who was really clocking in the miles when it came to 2018 assembly elections. The choice for him today is to create his own regional party. If he creates his own regional party, there is a problem. Exactly what is the timeline that he's looking at? Is he willing to wait long enough like a Mamata Banerjee? Is he willing to wait for almost 10 years like a Jagan Mohan Reddy? The list of leaders from the Congress table who quit the Congress party and went on to do far bigger things with their political lives is a rather illustrious one. Sachin Pilot, certainly, he has age on his side, and he has the ability to create a regional party and to become a powerful regional force. But does he want to do that? The flip side of this coin is that with Scindia and Pilot both gone, two leaders who could have actually become national presidents of the Congress party, two leaders who could have actually put their hat in the ring and forced an election within the Congress party, both those leaders are today gone. Does it mean advantage Rahul Gandhi? Does it mean disadvantage Rahul Gandhi? To the best of my memory and to the best of my political understanding, I don't think Rahul Gandhi is in a position in which he should be thinking in terms of coming back as party president. Remember, even Narendra Modi had to fight. Narendra Modi was the chief minister of Gujarat all the way from 2001 to 2012, created a certain structure for the BJP in the state of Gujarat, but yet when it came to becoming a national force, a national leader, he had to fight it out against L.K. Advani himself. Even the late Sushma Swaraj at one point of time was batting for the likes of Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Point is, in politics, if you want to play for the long one, if you want to bet higher, then you want to be in a position, you should be in a position in which you are willing to wait and you're willing to fight harder. Sachin Pilot has the ability. Sachin Pilot has age. Does Sachin Pilot have the patience to be on this long road to success will ultimately determine whether what we have seen over the last couple of days, will it really lead to a new structuring of brand Sachin Pilot, or will it end up being a case where a leader simply got a little too impatient with his own self? As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, I think Mr. Gandhi, day by day, with exit of each leader from the Congress party, is only taking his party to political irrelevance. Who can help him? Rahul Gandhi himself, by choosing to go on a political sannyas.